Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to subscribe to SMS Alert on Opay app. Now the first thing you do is open up your Opay app, then you tap on the me icon at the bottom here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you tap on SMS Alert subscription. Here it opens up 4 options for you. Now under the SMS Alert subscription, it means you subscribe to get an SMS alert whenever you get money sent to your account, whenever payments and cash withdrawals are made with your Opay debit card, whenever transfer and cash withdrawals are made with your Opay app or USSD, and whenever other transactions are made like airtime, data, bills payments and stuff like that. So you turn them all on to get an SMS alert whenever any of these transactions or any transactions are made using your Opay app, your Opay debit card or the USSD. Now note that this is not free. This SMS alert is not free. So once you subscribe to this, you're gonna pay ₦4 per message. But this SMS charges for each month will be automatically debited from the next month and at 10 a.m. on the 3rd of the next month. Now what this means is if you subscribe to this SMS alert on, let's say in October, then the ₦4 for each message will not be deducted till the next month, which is November, on the 3rd of the next month at 10 a.m. So if you agree to all this, you tap on subscribe now. Once you tap on subscribe now, it will ask you again, are you sure you want to subscribe to this SMS service? If you're having doubt, tap on SMS subscription terms here to be able to read the SMS subscription service terms and conditions. So after reading through them, now you should be able to make a decision that you want to subscribe or not. So if you want to subscribe, simply tap on yes, go on. If you do not want to subscribe, check this box and tap on cancel. It's as simple as that. Hope